Your girl is looking crazy. Oh, let me give you guys a lint check. Here's like right here. It's like hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be doing a long overdue updated twist out of my texturized hair. I got some requests on some of my previous videos for it to be done, but right now my hair is clean. I just washed it last week. and it's blow dried, so that's why it looks like this. And there's not really much product on it, honestly, just like a light amount of gel just to slick it up, because I had it in a bun for like a whole week, but this should be fine. Yeah, but this is my hair. So for the twist, I don't think I'm gonna do like big sections, so I'm gonna just add my As I Am leave-in conditioner in my hair. It's a Jamaican black castor oil leave-in conditioner from As I Am. So I'm gonna add that in it first. Then next I'm gonna add my TGIN moisturizer, the daily moisturizer. Most of these products, well, all of these products, I did talk about it in the previous video, so that's why I'm not really showing you right now. Then last, what I'm gonna do is get the Wetline Extreme Gel. Not a lot, just enough for hold, just enough for some hold.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do.
And then what I do, I just twirl it in like that and then leave it. I don't know, I think it would be much easier if my whole head was wet right now. So again, I'm gonna get the As I Am Restore and Repair Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in conditioner, like that much, because at the end of the day you don't want the hair to be taking forever to dry. So I'm just gonna smooth that out using the praying hands. Like that. The other one I use the oil first. This section I use the oil first, but I think I'm gonna try using the moisturizer first and then the oil. Then the almond oil. And then a little tubs of gel, like, see that? A little tubs. A little tubs. Not even that much. It's just for the hold, not really the definition, just for the hold. Don't really get fly away and freeze. I usually just twist towards my face on my right side, and then on my left side I twist towards the back. Don't know, it's just natural for me. And of course you want to make sure that the end is detangled, so everything is just one clean and pristine twist.
I think I need you. it time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is in the visions that we play. Sit right next to you. Not trying not to show how I feel about you. You wish away. Really, really wanna. I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
Okay, so I'm back and it's currently Thursday and I did this on Saturday, I think. Saturday or Sunday. No, I did it on Sunday. Yes, I did it on Sunday. And today's Thursday. And the reason why it's still in twist is because I wanted to just leave it be. I didn't really see a need to pull them out because I wasn't really doing anything. So no, because I don't really want to have the twist like in my hair too long and it gets dried out. So I'm gonna be pulling them out now. So they might not be very, but that's fine. I usually just do them for the body anyways, not for like the curls itself. But I just feel like I needed to pull them out. Like I can't just have them in for a whole week. But one thing I must say, like they're still very soft. Like I've had one or two people like felt my hair and said that it was really soft, and that's just from all the products that I used earlier. Like the curls are still doing what they said it's gonna do. It's still shiny, still curly, and the curl is still in them. Like of course I'm not gonna really pull them out that much, but maybe I will fluff them out right now, maybe. But this is it. Okay, so I'm back, and what I'm gonna do, I don't even want to like fluff it out that much, at least not the ones at the front right here. But look at these curls, like no, but like hear that. And then listen, there's no crunch or anything, no crunch at all, and my hair is so soft. Like trust me, if you try that combo on your hair, you won't lose. But if it doesn't work for you, then that's totally fine. But probably like the way how I layer it, you can try that method, the water, like not water but like damp hair, leaving the cream, the oil, and then the gel. And usually after this I'll fluff it out, but I'm not gonna fluff it out right now because I'm going to bed, and it defeats the whole purpose of me fluffing it out. so I'm not gonna do that. And I may wash my hair again this weekend, but already separating them is actually giving it some body. But just to save time, I'm just gonna separate them once, and then that's it. That should be it for the night.
Right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, and reach right to the bottom of my mountain.
That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful to you. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications, like this video, subscribe, of course. Comment down below anything that you might want to know about this twist out or twist outs in general, anything at all. If I missed something, just let me know down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Side of my mountain until you reach my peak.